Chemtrails are not a conspiracy theory. The government is spraying carcinogenic metals on all of us. It's real. I did it in the Air Force. I put my life on the line to share this info.
Have you seen the sky lately? Those wicked white lines, they're poison and they fall on you and I. These devious deeds will sadly proceed until we all demand an answer why.
I got involved in chemtrails because I was in the U.S. Air Force for 9 years and some change. During that time, I worked in bioenvironmental engineering, and in bioenvironmental engineering, one of the things that I did was approve hazardous materials that would be procured for the base.
I had a headache for 6 weeks and I was sick in bed for 3. Nobody knew what was wrong with me. I Googled my symptoms and what came up was chemtrails.
It's different from a chemtrail. A chemtrail does not dissipate. It dissipates into a cloud-like formation and just and covers the whole sky in a milky white. A chemtrail is normal from planes. It always happens, and it just dissipates pretty much right along with the plane.
Across my computer came large amounts of the strontium, barium, and aluminum in forms of sulfates, powders. They did not have any information on the contract or manufacturer. So these chemicals were not tied to a process, and they should have been. That to me was a smoking gun. I'm very much aware of the fact that the HARP program uses the nanoparticulate metals that are used in chemtrails or stratospheric aerosol spraying. It uses it as a conductor, and it's used for weather modification. Now there are other known reasons, whether it's depopulation or soft kill through Agenda 21. All I know is that they are doing weather modification, and from some memos that I saw in the Air Force, they're doing a lot of it with Tinker Air Force Base and the weather hub there in Norman, Oklahoma.
Monsanto would like their aluminum-resistant seeds to make way for the future. That way, when the soil is so poisoned and nothing can grow anymore, they will own and dominate the whole entire market.
Because at first they may look at us like we're a little crazy, but they're going to look up and they're going to go online and they're going to search these words, and we're going to wake people up. People are going to get pissed and things will have to change. I want people to contact your local regional EPA representatives, because as a former federal employee, I was shied away. But when we are in huge numbers, they cannot ignore it. And trust me, they're talking about it in their Monday morning meetings. Contact your representatives. Go to your local city town halls or your villages. Bring this up. Get the people informed. When you see the rise in autism, respiratory illnesses, neurological disorders, people don't get Alzheimer's in their 30s. That is not normal.
You see the white lines in the sky? You know that that's called Geo-Engineering.
When you are searching this program, type in stratospheric aerosol spraying. Type in Geo-Engineering, because the term chemtrails gets caught up on search engines like Google, and the first thing that comes up is that it's a conspiracy theory. And I'll tell you again, if it's a conspiracy theory, then I don't exist.
So it's not a joke, it is real, it is happening, and we gotta wake up.